What is going on, my future crypto millionaires and possibly, dare I say it, billionaires? Okay, so wanted to give an update on my Robinhood crypto account. It's been a few weeks, and honestly, guys, it's been very choppy for me, which you're going to see here in a second. I'm also going to be answering the question if Robinhood actually insures your crypto on here, or if you're kind of just like, winging it, hoping things go good and, whatever. But let's take a quick look at my portfolio here. So you can see right now it's at 400,000. And you can see over the last week here, it's been pretty brutal, down 74 for the month. I'm down, Jesus, 170 G's. But if we go and kind of just take a look at the 1 year, you guys can see I'm still doing pretty well. Now, currently I'm holding about 190,000 XRP coins on here. I actually moved a good chunk off onto, an offline wallet. So really, this is kind of just a trading account for me right now. I mean, I've got over 300,000 XRP coins. So, I want to trade some of them. It is what it is, right? Now, I haven't sold for a loss on the position I'm at right now. You can see XRP is actually at around like $2.14. My average price right now on it is like right around 266. I'm not really worried about it. It does hurt a little bit to see, the account down so much. But, the thing about crypto is when you think it's going to just keep going up and it doesn't, these kind of things happen. Right now, Bitcoin is actually pretty down as well. You can see if we look at it, it's at 83,000. And if we take a look at just the last week on this, I mean, it's been pretty brutal, honestly. It was actually at close to 100,000 at one point as of this recording. Now it's dropped all the way down to 83, which is why XRP is down along with the rest of the market. Now, let's talk about Robinhood, buying crypto on here, keeping your crypto on here and whatnot. Now, they do not insure you, okay? They do have a lot of safeguards in place for your account. I will say this, and it's a pretty big caveat. I've been using Robinhood for, it's been over 10 years, I think, maybe like 11. It's been a while, right? I've had many accounts on here where I've had, in the past, even before this, I've had over 4, 5, 600,000 at a time on here, and I've never worried about it. And a lot of the time when I've done that, it's been with crypto. They have a lot of two-factor authentication, a lot of, things in the background to help protect your account. And, we could go through all of the possible scenarios of things not being safe. The safest thing you could always do with your crypto is keep it on an offline wallet like a Trezor, Ledger. There's a bunch of them out there. I'm just naming a couple popular ones. But, like I said, for me, the way I'm doing this right now, it's like a trading account. I'm just not worried about it. And it is what it is. And it just kind of goes to the fact that I do have a lot of trust in Robinhood as a company. And they've never done anything wrong to me. I've made a ton of money here over the years, and I'm going to continue to do that as we go into this year and beyond, because I'm going to be trading XRP, probably Bitcoin, and a couple other coins I'm going to go over here in just a second. Now, I do want to say this, guys. If you do want to get started on Robinhood right now, I still recommend you do. We're going to have some bonus links for them below in the description and possibly the comments section as well. And, honestly, if you're using a different exchange right now, I do use multiple exchanges, but Robinhood's cool because you kind of get the best of both worlds on here. You can trade stocks. You can invest in ETFs. They've got crypto ETFs like Bitcoin ETFs. We're going to see a XRP ETF pretty soon, and whatever. But you could take advantage of that. You could also get on our newsletter. We send out one email a week on just crypto updates specifically here. And it's only good stuff. So like I said, we'll have some links below in the description and comments for that. Now, I do want to talk about some other things going on with crypto right now and some other coins I would be looking at. This isn't going to be financial advice, but I do want to talk about this a little bit because, obviously I do believe in XRP, being able to go up, especially from where it's at right now, $2. I definitely think we're going to get to the $4 mark and the $5 mark a lot sooner than later, which is why I'm just kind of holding it, just kind of dealing with that little loss. Bitcoin, you're not going to get a great return on it. The price on it's really good right now because it's under, where it is. But let's take a look at XLM. Now, I like XLM, Stellar, Lumens, whatever you want to call it. It's got a lot of correlation with XRP. I think that, I want to say it was up to, let's see, right around pretty much like close to 50 cents here. Yeah, it was in the 40 over the last month. Right now, you can get it at a pretty big discount. I would say fair value for this is probably right around like 40 cents. So, this could easily reach $1. I believe the all-time high on XLM was somewhere around there. I don't know if it's going to pull it up on here. It's not. I think, okay, 71 cents I was back. Maybe it was 71 cents. I thought maybe it got close to $1, but I think this is definitely going to be one of those coins, as long as XRP is doing good, maybe throw a little bit in here. I do own some Stellar. I keep that one offline. I'm not really trading it right now, but I have a good amount on this, and I would look at it. Now, another coin I would look at right now is Uniswap. If you don't know what Uniswap is, it's a decentralized exchange, which is the opposite of a centralized exchange, like here on Robinhood, or if you're using Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, whatever. The benefit to using these type of exchanges is that the fees are going to be a lot lower. Plus, they've got a lot of different coins available. You can connect to any wallet and start trading. And Uniswap is actually the #1 decentralized exchange. A cool thing about Uniswap is that they do have it to trade here on Robinhood. And they actually dropped SEC dropped the case against them pretty recently. You could see it's down quite a bit, but this has got a lot of correlation with the fact that Bitcoin's been dragging the market down. So with all that said, I still think XRP is going to be one of the best large cap coins to get into right now. I would still kind of take a look at maybe grabbing some Bitcoin, especially at the price it's at, get some XLM, and why not get some Uniswap? Because Uniswap could easily 3 or 4x from the price it's at right now, in my opinion, not financial advice once again. Okay, and I do want to wrap things up here, just kind of going over a quick article on the crypto basic for XRP. It is my #1 holding right now in all of crypto, and I think it's pretty interesting. It kind of just says here, XRP could target 5 to 8. Is XRP nearly done with ABC correction? And this is a pretty recent article as well. I'll link this one up below if you want to check it out. The Crypto Basic always has some kind of cool stuff, but it just says a prominent analyst expects XRP to reach a price discovery phase upon the completion of Elliott Wave 3 to 5 on the daily time frame. The bullish commentary comes despite XRP's bearish situation. Notably, XRP has collapsed 13% over the last 14 days, dropping to the 260, then 222 area. This bearish turn is largely due to a broader market turndown. Bitcoin, like I said, it is slumping for the first time really this year. XRP are nearly done with its ABC correction. However, analysts like Dark Defender believe the pullback is only temporary. I kind of believe that as well. Dark Defender confirmed the ongoing price drop as part of a larger ABC correction that XRP could be facing since it's reached a 7-year top at 3.4 in mid-January. For context, after reaching 3.4 on January 16th, XRP witnessed a collapse in the days that followed. The general direction was downward, reflecting a wave A of the ABC correction. Wave A ended with a drop to 227 on February 6th, and the B wave saw a mild upsurge. The upsurge pushed XRP to a high of around 283 on Feb 15th, culminating in the end of the Wave B. Notably, Wave C resumed the correction and has taken XRP to a current price of 223, which is a 34% drop since its January peak of 340. As I'm reading this, if I could have just sold at the top, right? We all say that if we just sell at the top and buy at the bottom, but you never know what's going to happen. You never know when the market's just going to dump like this. I don't think anybody could have predicted this dump, but according to Dark Defender, XRP still has within the wave C of the ABC correction, is on the verge of completing it. He called attention to the daily RSI, which has dropped below the band to a current value of 36.27. He stressed at this level, the RSI is close to oversold region. XRP targets $5 to $8. Once XRP completes the ABC correction, Dark Defender predicts the start of a new Elliott wave structure. He predicts the first wave to lead back to the January highs. Interestingly, the analyst believes Wave 3 would push XRP to a high of 585, with the fourth wave triggering a mild below 4.5 correction. And but here, guys, I want you to understand something. Whenever you're reading these analyst type of predictions, nobody knows for sure what's going to happen, right? I have my own targets, especially for XRP right now. I think that we are going to push to right around $3.50 very soon from where it's currently at. There's going to be some chop, obviously, on the way up, and I think we might have a surge to right around like 450 to the lower like 495 area, but then I think it's going to drop back down again to 350. But this is all kind of speculation, but I do look at charts as well. And, obviously I have so much money right now in XRP. It's like, I'm not just putting $10,000 in this. I'm riding with a lot more money. So, that's all I'm saying. I hope you guys enjoyed this update. Get on our newsletter though. It's once a week, good stuff, only good stuff. And Robinhood, if you're not using them as an exchange right now, it is a good exchange. We'll have some bonus links below in the description and comments. All right, subscribe for more crypto stuff, guys, and we'll see you in the next crypto video.